next topic is about the internet, intranet, and extranet. Okay, so these are the terms are you will see in future again and again. So what is internet? LAN uses WAN services to connect, to interconnect. So many branches, home offices, government LAN, enterprise. You can see the different companies, different years. It's just not one company. There are all these different companies are connecting together through a big WAN. Okay, to interconnect to each other. Just one second. So nowadays, internet is one of the biggest medium in order to share our resources like Facebook and other media. Home and small offices internet connection, as you can see, normally we have DSL cables, cellular, satellite, and dial-up. I think that was a very old technology, if you remember maybe. DSL nowadays mostly in-house we have DSL. Of course, cable is I think version come as a cable. Cellular media when there is no cable available, and satellites most likely if you in the plane and you're using internet connection, especially that is comes from satellites. But satellites are quite expensive. Okay, business internet connection, most likely there is a separate 1 or 2 chapters in CCNA. They are discussing about what is dedicated lease line, what is metro internet, what is DSL satellites actually in order to connect these two businesses together. So lease lines, as of now, just think about it, it's like a private road. Okay, the one is whenever you drive a car, these are the shared road. So you need to follow the guidelines as per road direction. If it's a 20 miles, 30 miles, 50 miles, you need to go accordingly. If it's a red light, blue lights, green light, you need to, act accordingly. But dedicated line means this is your private road. You can go 100 miles, right? You build it, you paid it, you use it, that's up to yours, right? Similarly, metro and DL as well, we already know this. There is a very much, 1 2 chapter just on the WAN portion. We'll discuss in detail later on. Okay.